Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system, tap on advanced. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the system update. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, in my case, I've got the update, in my case, security update. And basically, if you will have one which you can download, your device will show you what is new in this update, what has been fixed, etc. Here you've got also the instructions, so the information, just like your device has to be restarted. And basically, if you're ready, just tap on install now. And if in your case your device is updated, you will also receive proper information that everything is up to date and you do not have to worry about downloading new updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.